Cognitive Computing Market 2024. Trends, Growth, and Future Outlook. What if machines could think, learn, and adapt like humans? Welcome to the transformative world of cognitive computing, where technology is revolutionizing how industries operate. This market isn't just growing, it's exploding. From chatbots that converse like humans to AI systems interpreting complex medical data, cognitive computing is reshaping business strategies and data-driven decisions. This technological powerhouse, combining AI, natural language processing, machine learning, and reasoning, empowers systems to interpret vast unstructured data, from speech and text to sensor signals, and take actionable steps. Imagine dialogue generation, vision recognition, and predictive analytics working in tandem to solve real-world problems. And the timing couldn't be more critical. Enterprises are drowning in data, demanding advanced analytics to extract insights. Companies like Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) exemplify this shift, introducing AI-driven tools like the Cognitive Plant Operations Advisor to optimize manufacturing processes using Azure's private edge computing. This is more than tech, it's the future. Key takeaways: dominant forces in a rapidly evolving landscape. Natural language processing, NLP, dominates, holding a 30.6% market share in 2024. Why? Because chatbots, sentiment analysis, and voice assistants rely on this tech to understand human intent. But developments in generating human-like dialogue are raising ethical debates. Are human elements disappearing or evolving? Platforms rule, 74.7% of the market. Cloud-based solutions are redefining scalability, but security concerns linger. Large enterprises, 68.4% share, and healthcare, 32.5% share, grasp most opportunities, but smaller players aren't out of the race. The U.S. leads with a $17.8 billion market in 2024, growing at 42.8% CAGR. North America retains dominance, 38.4% share, driven by AI innovation, yet global adoption is accelerating. Market drivers, growth catalysts, and controversies. Advancements in AI and ML, the unstoppable force. Quantum computing's emergence sparked debates. Could these exponentials solve problems traditional computers can't, breaking encryption protections? The cognitive computing market thrives on AI's progress. But security remains contentious. Enterprise data volumes skyrocket, demanding real-time insights. However, privacy laws like GDPR add complexity. For example, healthcare handles sensitive patient data. How far should AI intrusion go? Security concerns, the elephant in the room. Data breaches aren't hypothetical. They're daily threats. Enterprises grapple with compliance and internal infrastructure. On-premise solutions, 58.9% share, dominate due to control over data, but security costs creep. Agree or disagree? Should enterprises prioritize protection over innovation? This friction fuels market tension. Opportunities: healthcare redefines AI's role. Cognitive computing is redefining patient care. Machine learning predicts disease outbreaks, analyzes medical imaging, and automates administrative tasks. But questions swirl. Should AI override clinical judgment? The ethical quagmire here demands transparent frameworks as AI becomes a co-pilot in medicine. Regional powerhouses: North America leads, others follow. North America's tech infrastructure and capital investments solidify its 38.4% market grip. The U.S., with its $17.8 billion 2024 valuation, exemplifies this. However, Asia-Pacific growth is catching up. Potential collision: legacy systems versus emerging tech. It's a race to balance innovation with risk management. Emerging trends: disruptive technologies reshape industries. Demystifying core features. Feature: impact ringling. First, weave the same emote in this case. Whale making innovative AI, enables conversational AI and sentiment analysis. Pad the way for AI agents to understand nuanced human tone. Real-time analytics, instant decision-making in finance and supply chains, critical for dynamic environments where seconds count. IoT integration creates smart automation for predictive insights. Think manufacturing lines that autocorrect before issues arise. Multimodal AI systems process texts, voices, and images seamlessly. Imagine recognizing a customer's voice while analyzing their purchase history. Autonomous learning. Systems improve without human intervention. A double-edged sword, efficiency versus loss of control. Breaking down market segments by technology, NLP versus NLP. Machine learning. NLP holds strong, 30.6% share, due to chatbot proliferation and voice search capabilities. Machine learning, integrated into platforms, drives predictive analytics. Question: can deep learning overtake NLP as the dominant force? By deployment, cloud versus on-premise. On-premise solutions, 58.9%, appeal to security-conscious sectors like healthcare. Cloud adoption grows, but enterprises balance flexibility with control. Controversy: is cloud security a myth or just misunderstood? By organization size, large enterprises versus SMEs. Large enterprises dominate, 68.4%, leveraging investments in scalable systems. SMEs lag, but are catching up. Why? Access to affordable AI tools remains a barrier. Opinion: should governments subsidize SMEs to level the playing field? By industry, healthcare's reign. Healthcare's 32.5% share makes it king, using AI for diagnostics, drug discovery, and operational efficiency. But ethical dilemmas persist. Case in point, AI diagnosing diseases. While life-saving, could it deepen healthcare disparities for underserved populations? Recent innovations, disruptors redefining the game. February 2025, Support Logic unleashes its cognitive AI cloud to revolutionize customer support with enterprise-grade AI agents. September 2024, Stapley crashes the finance scene with cognitive AI for purchase order matching at SuiteWorld 2024. Mphasis' Deep Insights Doc AI harnesses generative AI for intelligent document processing. About Market Forecast 2024 to 2034 Outlook, Trillions and Transformation. Metric, Value, Key Insights. One sentence, 2034 Outlook. Global Market 2024, 55.7 billion. Forecast 2034, 2.09 trillion. Cloud adoption and predictive analytics accelerate growth. Leading region, North America, 38.4%. Strong tech infrastructure and capital investments. Fastest growing segment, NLP, 30.6%. Voice assistance and linguistic diversity demands. In competitive landscape, titans and trailblazers. Tech giants like AWS, IBM, and Oracle shape the market with cloud platforms and AI services. Emerging players like Atlan and Dremio disrupt data stack ecosystems. Simulation question: can smaller firms outpace established players with niche innovations? Final thoughts: the cognitive computing crossroads. This market isn't just about numbers, it's about redefining human reliance on machines. As we approach trillion-dollar valuations, ask yourself, where will your business stand? Will you embrace AI's promise or swim against the tide? In the comments, weigh in. Should industries prioritize innovation speed or ethical safeguards? The answer could define the next decade. Report scope: historical data 2020 to 2023. Forecast 2025 to 2034. Segments: technology, component, deployment, organization size, industry. Regions: North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America, MEA. Players: AWS, IBM, Oracle, Atlan, Cloudera, Mphasis. Customization, segment region deep dives. Given the complexity, clarity is key. Enterprises must choose between rushing to adopt cognitive computing and mastering security concerns. A balance with no easy answers. Here's a critical realization. The future benefits those who build trust through transparency. What's your stance?